Okay, now I hope you all are ready with this shape. તૈયાર છો ને બધા? Yes, now what we have to do? Press it from this corner vertically. Very nice, very nice. We have to press it vertically. પાછું અહીંયા આપણે શું ધ્યાન રાખીશું? That these two sides have to match properly. Very nice. Now it's your turn, my dear students. આપણે જે પણ સ્ટેપ હમણાં જોયા તે આપણે સ્ક્રીન પર દેખાય જ છે. Look students, I hope you all have this type of shape. Which shape is it? Yes, it is triangle. Here I have a new word. Flaps. This is one flap. This is the another. This is also the flap and this is also the flap. How many flaps are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very good. Now what we have to do? હવે આપણે જે સ્ટેપ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ એ પ્લીઝ ધ્યાનથી જોજો. It is too necessary. કેમ કે જો આ સ્ટેપમાં મિસ્ટેક થશે તો આપનો શેપ બરાબર બનશે નહીં. Are you ready friends? Yes. Now I am going to draw a slant line from here. બરાબર ધ્યાન રાખજો. From this corner. દેખાય છે બરાબર બાળ મિત્રો? You can also draw a slant line from this side, but from any one side we can draw a slant line like this. Understood? Yes, now it's your turn to draw a slant line. I hope you all are ready with this slant line. Now students, this is the middle line and this is our slant line. Understood? Now we have to fold this flap from this slant line. પહેલા બરાબર મને ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરી લો. After that you have to do this. અત્યારે હાલ કોઈએ કંઈ જ કરવાનું નથી. Fold the flap along the slant line and press it properly. Now it's your turn. If you find any kind of difficulties, તમને સ્ક્રીન પર દેખાય જ છે આ સ્ટેપ. Okay, I hope you all have done this. આવો શેપ છે ને બધાની પાસે? Very good. Now our last step is hold the other flap and fold it forward in such a way that these two sides have to match. These two sides have to match properly. Again I am showing you. Hold the flap and fold it forward in such a way that these two sides have to match properly. Now it's your turn. Yes, start folding. Very good. Vato nahi. This is the last step. Very nice, friends. Now બધાની પાસે આવો શેપ રેડી છે ને? Yes, all of you turn the page. હા હા મારી સાથે જ કરો. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to mark eyes like this. Eyes છે તો ફક્ત black point થી નહીં ચાલે. આમ draw કરવું પડશે ને? Very good. Then we have to draw a curved line like this. Some design. હા હા મારી સાથે જ કરો. If you don't have sketch pen, you can draw it with your pencil or ball pen also. હા, yes. Yes, yes, yes. You can draw with pencil or ball pen also. Very good. Now I have made it with colored paper. Isn't it beautiful? Look friends, આવી ફિશીસનો ઉપયોગ કરીને આપણે આવી સુંદર સિનરી પણ બનાવી શકીએ છીએ. Have a look. Children, did you enjoy it? Yes, I know તમને ખૂબ જ મજા પડી છે. While making fish, we came across many unfamiliar words. Let's recall them. The first word is to fold. Look students, I am here folding a paper. Understood? Folding a paper. Understood? Very good. The next word is to tear. I am tearing a paper. The next word is corners. So let's try to understand the word corners. Look students, we have some shapes: rectangle, triangle, square and an oval. Let's see, where are the corners? Yes. Keep in mind, rectangle, square and triangle has corners, but oval does not have corners. Let's see the next word. For that, remember the alphabet V. From the alphabet V, you can remember vertical very easily. The spelling of vertical is V E R T I C A L. Now the next word is horizontal. For that you have to remember alphabet H. Keep in mind the middle line and you can easily remember horizontal. Spelling of horizontal is H O R I Z O N T A L. The next word is middle. Children, yaad છે ને, while doing this activity we folded the paper along the middle. Look at the middle of all these shapes. Very good. The next word is backward. If I am walking like this, this is backward. And if I am walking like this, this is forward. Got it? This is forward, this is backward. Understood students? Good. The next word is flaps. Remember students? Fish and the flaps. Yes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the flaps. Understood? Now students, the next word is slant line, straight line. This is the slant line and this is the straight line. Got it students? See the spellings. S L A N T. Slant and the straight S T R A I G H T. હવે slant અને straight યાદ રહેશે ને? Very good. Children, during this activity we also came across various shapes. Remember students? Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Let's see it. Look students, these are the shapes which are given in a textbook on Roman page number 21. Look children, this is origami art. Did you enjoy it? Yes. Similar task is given in your textbook on page number 15. Now I am going to read the instructions of this task. So listen to me carefully. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it along the middle horizontally. Then fold it again vertically as shown. You get a folded square. Now fold one of the flaps backwards. Fold the remaining 3 flaps as shown. Now you get a triangle. Put your finger inside the triangle to make a cap. Now make the 2 ends of the cap meet. Carefully pull the base. Pull the flaps outwards. Press them sideways. Your boat is ready. Friends, you are now familiar with all the new words like square, middle, vertical, horizontal, triangle, cap, flaps, sides, fold, backward, forward, isn't it? તો મને એવું લાગે છે કે હવે આપ આ એક્ટિવિટી ખૂબ જ સુંદર રીતે કરી શકશો. તો whenever you get time in your English class, you can do this activity. And if you find any kind of difficulty, you can ask to your teacher. Okay friends, આજના માટે આટલું જ. But whenever you are doing this task, please try to speak instructions in English only. કરશો ને? Okay. આવજો. Have a nice day.